Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and we're standing on board our 2025 Boston Whaler 210 Vantage. Guys, these boats can vary heavily with the options that are chosen on them, everything from power and more, and ours is optioned extremely nicely. What's really cool about these 21 Vantages is these rear seats. They make the deck very, very accessible at the rear of the boat, but they're extremely comfortable with high backs. You've got rod holders and cup holders for those at the rear. For the boats that have it, you have fresh water here in the transom also. And guys, this is notable. White motor and a V8, 250 horse V8 on the back of this boat. The seating in these is awesome. You've got really, really great helm with fold-up bolsters. You've got a convertible seat here, whether you want to lay down or lounge. And of course, a stalwart component of the 210 Vantages, apologize guys, it's full of my covers, but the bathroom on these is huge. It's expansive, gives you tons of room. That's kind of the idea behind a 21 Vantage, is all the room in a smaller dual console package. This one has the best helm option you can get, 12-inch screen, the acrylic, JL audio. This boat has trim tabs, it has the VHF, it has hydraulic steering. Guys, this boat is pretty well loaded as Whaler builds these 210 Vantages. And of course, it's a Vantage. It keeps my favorite part, the little trash chute with a 5-gallon bucket underneath. Great storage here. Guys, this bracket tells us that this boat even has the bow table, and these brackets here tell us this boat has the filler cushion. So for a 210 Vantage, this is about as nicely optioned as you can get for a 25. I'm Jeremiah Long. I'm here at MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. If you guys want to explore this Vantage or any of Boston Whaler's product line, give us a call here. We'd love to take care of you.